welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be installing this beautiful, ooh, I'm getting excited, this beautiful wig from LUVMEHAIR. Y'all literally just saw first impressions. I'm opening it and it just looks like some really high quality hair. This lace is bleached, plucked, and looks like it's about to melt all the way into my skin. So I'm very excited about that. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. Did I mention where the wig came from? It's from LUVMEHAIR, if you guys did not know based off the title and thumbnail. And this is what the inside of the unit looks like. You can see that it's been bleached. We have a lot of closure space. So I don't know if this one is. It might be a 6x6 or a 7x7 because it is a little bit more open. And then you have combs all around it. You have two on the side, one right here at the back of the closure. You also have one at the back of the wig. You have an adjustable elastic band. And then you have the adjustable straps in the back. So let's get her installed. I'm like literally so excited. I'm pretty sure this is from like their undetectable lace like collection. So we shouldn't have any issues with this lace. It's also like really thin, and that thin lace, if you wear wigs, you know that thin lace is very easy to install and it usually just tends to blend a little bit easier. I'm just adjusting this elastic band to make it fit my head perfectly. I'm not going to bleach the lace or anything yet. I want to see how well it's going to blend first. Oh gosh, the excitement in me. Oh my goodness. Oh, LUVMEHAIR. Ooh. Ooh. You know what will make this wig fire? I need to get some bundles. Sew some bundles in here and make this joint a little bit longer and a little bit more full on the density. Like, it's a good natural density right now, but I would love to see this one a little bit more full, a little bit more volume. It's a wrap. Once that happens, it will be perfect. We get into the lace. This is what it looks like. Nice pre-plucked. You can definitely go in and pluck it some more if you would like.
Deep, deep and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want up to lay in your deep, baby, baby, deep. Then dip me under.
Now we just need some hot tool action. I'm going to use my flat iron, my hot comb, and my curling wand. I kind of like this little loose, careless curl wave thing we have going here. So I don't want too tight of a curl, but I also don't want it straight. Like, I feel like the curls would add some volume, but it's fitting my head like perfectly. Like, I have no fear of this sliding back while I wear it. Let's see.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, deep, deep,
Okay, so here is the finished look. I have added like a bajillion layers into this wig. The layers and the curls gave the wig the volume it needed, and I really love how it turned out. I feel like this is a very perfect everyday type of hairstyle and type of wig. I have this wig on completely glueless. It is not glued down at all, and it's melted into the skin. Love this lace. This, I think it's undetectable lace. Just works out so perfect. I'll give you guys a back view. It's giving, right? At least I think it is. I love more how effortless this was and easy to put on. This is like one of those wigs that's going to be in rotation to wear quite often. I would love to have this wig in like a longer version and a shorter version. I think it would be really nice. The hair is super soft, very good quality, no shedding. Holding the curls too, and I haven't even added any like holding product to it, so I like that it's holding these curls so well. That lace, like I told y'all, blended, melted right into the skin. I don't have nothing bad to say about that. I love how thin it was. It was just easy to work with. I love when I don't have to do a whole bunch of work to a wig, and this was one of those. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar. I have a direct link to this unit from LUVMEHAIR, and I'll also have a link to their website so you can see the other wigs that they offer. So let me know how you guys feel about this in the comment section. Leave me a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, I really appreciate that. And if you are subscribed already, thank you so much. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.